Hi guys, welcome back to Caffeinated Nurse. If you're new here, my name is Faiza. On today's video is not going to be about nursing or nursing school, and it's not going to be about you. It's going to be about me. So I figured now that I have 80 subscribers, let me just introduce myself officially. And the first thing that you need to know about me is that I am a nurse. Why did I enroll in nursing school? Well, it's because I love helping people and even animals. Like there was this one time a stray chicken came into our compound and I took her in and treated her because she had a cold. But I think the dogs ate her. She just disappeared and I never saw her from that time. So back to why I became a nurse, it's because I love helping people. I love to see people going back to feeling 100%. And what better way to do that than becoming a nurse? And the other reason is that it helps me build relationships. Like I can be able to create a healthy relationship between me and my patient, and it's a win-win for both of us. I graduated in 2021. Well, it was supposed to be in 2020, but Miss Rona happened. Currently, I'm doing YouTube, Caffeinated Nurse. I share nursing study tips and tricks. I tell you about nursing school, what to expect. I share with you my life experiences in nursing school and also teach nursing topics. Yeah, I do pretty much everything and anything to do with nursing. Hey, you might be asking yourself, why YouTube? Such a risky venture. I love teaching. I love passing on knowledge from me to you, and also it's fun doing it. So if you'd like to see more of my content, go ahead and subscribe and let's get to 100 subscribers. Well, I'm supposed to be doing my internship right now, but alas, timing is the best. So I'm just waiting as I do YouTube, but inshallah I'll get there. The second thing about me is that I really love my own company. Some might say a little too much, but I don't care. I could literally stay in the house 24/7 and I don't mind doing it. Do I really see the sun? Yes I do, through my window. Truth be told, I do get bored sometimes, and when I get bored, my brain gets creative, like super creative. Like you see all the things behind me. Yeah, I made them. This one is made of yarn wrapped around a frame. I also made this one. It looks like a frame, but it's actually a cardboard with black tape around it. I made this one literally yesterday. It's old CDs and broken pieces of mirrors. I don't consider myself as an artist, but I drew this. A random lady I found on Pinterest and I thought she was really cute, so I tried to draw her and I did. So in short, I love DIYs, like I live for them. And as I always say, if I can't buy it, I'll make it. I love photography, and if you haven't noticed, go ahead on my Instagram. I'll link it in my description below. I used to love taking pictures of nature in the past, but right now I'm obsessed with myself. I mean, look at me, who wouldn't be obsessed? Of late, I've been obsessed with self-portraits, so if you can go check on my Instagram, you'll kind of see what I mean. And if you also love the idea of self-portraits, you can follow me for inspiration. The other thing is that I'm a very emotional person. I will literally cry because my kitten looks so cute when she's sleeping. Like, oh, I love all sorts of animals. Well, except for spiders. I don't hate them, but I stopped killing them, so baby steps. But I don't mind when someone else kills them for me. I'm not sure if I've said everything about me, but those are the points that I felt were important at this stage. Maybe later on, as I up my content creating game, you can learn more about me. I think that's it for today's video. I know it wasn't long as the usual ones, and as I said earlier, this channel is about like pretty much everything to do with nursing. Go ahead and subscribe if you would like to see more of this content, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.